A Mequon man now on trial in Kenosha for the death of Rosalio Gutierrez Junior. 41-year-old Zachariah Anderson is accused of killing Gutierrez in 2020 and then hiding his body. His remains were never found. CBS 58's Winnie Dorch breaks down today's opening statements.
Zachariah Anderson is facing a first-degree intentional homicide charge, including stalking and hiding a corpse. But his defense team says there's no evidence proving that Anderson was at Rosalio Gutierrez's home the night in question. Day one in the trial of 41-year-old Zachariah Anderson. He's accused of murdering Kenosha man Rosalio Gutierrez Junior in May 2020.
The facts and the evidence in this case will show you that Mr. Anderson did not kill Mr. Gutierrez.
May 17, 2020 was the last day Gutierrez had contact with family and friends. The woman he was dating stopped by his apartment 2 days later for a welfare check. Through the sliding patio door, she saw an area rug missing and large amounts of blood on the floor and the furniture.
You'll see pictures and you will have difficulty finding a piece of furniture or a child's picture or a piece of child's artwork or a child's toy or a square foot of carpet that does not have blood. What this blood spatter tells him is that Rosalio Gutierrez is struck multiple times, several times in multiple locations.
The woman pointed police to her ex-boyfriend Anderson, saying he was stalking her and at one point called her out about her relationship with Gutierrez.
The defendant is obsessed. The defendant is jealous.
This narrative by the state about what this evidence is going to show you that Mr. Anderson is so jealous, the evidence doesn't support that.
The state arguing that evidence shows up in Anderson's minivan.
And she will testify that that DNA profile is a match. In other words, it is Rosalio Gutierrez.
She's an analyst, and that she can't say if something is something without testing it. And that she cannot tell you that that is absolutely blood.
And the trial will continue tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. with witness testimony. In Kenosha, Winnie Dorch, CBS 58 News.